The High Court has declined to give orders restraining, the government from licensing Cuban doctors to practice in Kenyan clinics.
Dr. Samson Misango had filed a petition in court seeking to stop the government from licensing Cuban doctors to practice in local clinics. In the case, Dr. Misango claims there was no public participation, adding that the foreign medics were single-sourced to the disadvantage of local counterparts.
Similarly, he claims there has been no evidence that Kenya has a shortage of doctors to fill any vacancies in the public health system. Employment and Labor Relations Court Judge Byrum Ongayo, said the case will be mentioned on Thursday, May 31st, to consolidate it with another matter before the same court seeking the same orders.